Name of the experiment is called as reciprocating pump. So the reciprocating pump having, so this is the on off switch, so this is the starter, and we have this energy meter, and this one is the pressure gauge, and this one is the vacuum gauge. So this is the setup of this reciprocating pump, and this reciprocating pump having the action. So here we have the piston and plunger. So this piston and plunger will move toward and forward. This action will held here. The action held is called, the principle is called as reciprocating. From this reciprocating action only, the water will sucked from the vacuum side. So this is the suction area. So here there is a suction. So the water is sucked from here, and the water will delivers at the here. So this is the butterfly valve. So with the help of this butterfly valve, we are going to control the flow. So this valve only control the flow, and having the setup of tank arrangement, the size of the tank will be 30 centimeter into 30 centimeter. We does not consider the depth. We only taken the lengthwise and the breadthwise. That is 30 into 30 centimeter. I am saying in the dimension 30 centimeter. And what we are actually going to take means every 10 centimeter rise, what is the level of water reaching time only we are going to denote it. So every 10 centimeter rise only we are going to denote it. The rise may taken from 0 to 10 or either from 10 to 19 also we are taken. So we need only 10 centimeter rise. So it will be done by closing this valve. After closing this valve, we are getting the 10 centimeter rise and having the stopwatch and calculate the reading. Okay, so we will go for this experiment. So how we can play this experiment? So the first thing is we have to on the switch, then go for the starter. So here there are two buttons available. So one is in the brown color and another one is black color. So now we are going to start this pump. So after moving to this experiment, we have this energy meter constant. So here the light is blink off on off on. So why we take this constant means every 5 time of blink we take the reading. So at what 5 time it reaches, the energy meter value will be noted with the help of stopwatch. And this one is the pressure gauge. So this pressure gauge will, when it will be increased, means while we are regulating the flow of this butterfly valve, the pressure will get increased. So here we can see that pressure will move somewhere else in the table. So the pressure gauge reading will be given in the kg per centimeter square, lb per inch square. Actually we are taken this pressure gauge reading outside. So outside it is given in kg per centimeter square. For here the vacuum gauge reading also be taken. The vacuum gauge reading is also taken. This vacuum gauge reading outer only we are taken. The outer reading is mm of Hg. The inner reading is inch of Hg. So this will be taken from the point. So this how it will be taken means with the help of only this valve. By adjusting this valve, the flow will be regulated. Here we can see the flow. While adjusting the flow, by using this valve, we can get the flow will be reduced and rising centimeter also getting. So the name of the experiment is we go for the calculation, how the calculation will be made. So this is the performance test on the reciprocating pump. The calculation will be made for the test. It will be actual discharge, then total head to be calculated, then output power, then input power. Mainly the thing we needed for the pump is efficiency. The efficiency will be calculated in the percentage. So next we move for the tabular column, how we can take the reading and how the tabular column will be filled. So this one is the tabulation, and what we are seeing in the observation means we have to take down this reading from the energy meter. It is fitted in the reciprocating pump. here already discussed that length of the tank is 30 centimeter. It is given in meter. We have to keep the conversion into meter, and we have to put the value for the length, and for the breadth also 30 centimeter. We have to convert this into meter and put the value for the breadth. Then next one, we know that there is a pressure gauge reading. So every adjustment of the valve, we get the differentiation of the pressure. So one by one we have taken the 5 values. By the mean of 5 value only we are getting this efficiency. Then it is the final. So in the final we are getting the efficiency. The pressure gauge reading are taken from the reciprocating pump. The first reading will be taken here. Then second is vacuum gauge. Then the total head, there is a formula given in the previous, we discussed it also previously. So every 10 centimeter rise of water, what is the value we are getting with the help of stopwatch. So when we are keep pressing the stopwatch, we will get this value of the 10 centimeter rise. And actual discharge also we are having formula for finding the actual discharge. So actual discharge, the formula is here. So this is the actual discharge. Q actual equal to A into H divided by T. It will be calculated in meter cube per second. Then total get value is given. It is a delivery. HD means delivery. S means suction. Z means delivery get. It is given in the formula briefly. Next, the output power also calculated by using the formula. Then input power also calculating by the formula. Then efficiency also calculating by the formula. So next, the time flick for the 5 times it taken from the energy meter constant. The 5 times flick will be calculated with the help of stopwatch. Already we seen that the formula for finding the input power. Then also for previously seen that calculation formula for finding the output power. Then also efficiency also calculated from the formulas. So generally we have taken how much of reading from the reciprocating pump means we are taking the reading of this pressure gauge reading of this vacuum gauge reading, then 10 centimeter rise from the tank, then 5 flicks. So these 4 reading only we are taken from the reciprocating pump. Then remaining things are the calculation which are made with the help of the formulas. So this one is the pressure gauge. The pressure gauge reading will be when the pump will on, the valve will be adjusted. This will be going high. So when based on the adjustment of the valve, we are getting this value. So we done this adjustment of the valve only, we are getting this value. So we can take the value for 5 times. This one is vacuum gauge. From this vacuum gauge also the same thing. So it is rotating the revolvation from the anti-clockwise. So that one is from the clockwise direction. It is from revolving around the anti-clockwise direction. So it will be noted for the vacuum gauge reading. Then this one is the energy meter constant. Here the energy meter constant will be given in the